Hello everyone. Today I will discuss about the homogeneous differential equation, which is a part of differential equation. Okay. So in the previous lecture I have talked about the differential equation and variable separable differential equation, and in this lecture I am going to talk about the homogeneous differential equation of first order and first degree equation. Okay. So before moving to the homogeneous differential equation, we should know what is a homogeneous function. Okay. So a function fx comma y said to be homogeneous function of degree n if f of lambda x comma lambda y is equal to if f of lambda x comma lambda y is equal to lambda to the power n f of x comma y. Okay. And where lambda is any non-zero constant. Okay. So lambda is a non-zero constant, and it means we have given some function and in which we put lambda x and lambda y, and then we will separate the lambda, and whatever will be the power of lambda will be the our degree of that homogeneous function. Okay. So now what is a homogeneous differential equation? A differential equation dy by dx f x comma y, okay, is said to be homogeneous differential equation if f x comma y is a homogeneous function of degree 0. Okay. What is the meaning of it? Okay. As you can see, here is lambda to the power n, and n is the degree. Okay. N is the degree. So here they are mentioning that degree should be 0, so it means lambda to the power should be 0. Okay. So now how we will solve this type of differential equation? So we will solve by the substituting like y is equal to bx, or or x is equal to py. Okay. So let me give you some example like yeah. So for example, okay. Okay. So we have given f x comma y is equal to ax square plus by square plus 2hxy. Okay. Plus 2hxy. So find the degree of this homogeneous function. So put f of lambda x and lambda y. So a in the value of x is here lambda x. So lambda x whole square plus b lambda y whole square plus 2h lambda x into lambda y. As you can see here, a lambda square x square plus b lambda square y square plus 2h, that is lambda into lambda square xy. Take common lambda square, like then we will get like ax square plus by square plus 2hxy. That is nothing but our function, as you can see here. So it will become lambda square f of x comma y. So you can see here, this is the degree of this function is 2. Okay. Okay. Now we have find the homogeneous function of degree 2. Okay. Let me give you some another things. Okay. One example like this. What? Yeah. dy by dx is equal to x plus y x minus y. Okay. As you can see in this function, okay, as you can see in this function, okay, put this is the our f x comma y na. Okay. So put here f of lambda x comma lambda y. Okay. So what will happen here? So lambda x plus lambda y by lambda x minus lambda y, that is lambda taking common lambda from up and from numerator and denominator. Okay, so x minus y, that is lambda will be cancelled out. It means lambda is equal to 0, x plus y upon x minus y. Okay, so this is the homogeneous function of degree 0. So this is the homogeneous differential equation. Okay, now so let me tell you how to solve this equation. Okay, so how we are going to solve this equation? So we are going to solve this equation like put y is equal to bx. Okay, so now differentiate it with respect to x. So dy by dx is equal to here we will use first function then second function. Okay, so first function v and differentiation of x with respect to x is like this, dx by dx plus, and this is x dv by dx. Then second function and first differentiation of first function. Okay, so this is v plus dv by dx and this is dy by dx. Now put these values here. So b will get what b will get? B will get here b plus x dv by dx is equal to x plus bx by x minus bx, putting the value of y here. Okay, so take x common from numerator and denominator, and you can see here x will be the cancel out, so it will look like bx dv by dx is equal to 1 plus b by 1 minus b. Okay, take v this side. Okay, so it will become x dv by dx 1 plus b by 1 minus v minus v. Okay, so multiply it take LCM. Okay, so 1 plus b, it will become minus b and minus minus plus b square. Okay, so 1 minus b will be the cancel out and x dv by dx. Now use variable separable method, so it will goes like this, 1 by b by 1 plus b square dv is equal to dx by x. Okay, I am just showing you from this example how we will solve it. Okay, and this is not exact solution. I am just telling you the step how to solve it. Okay, first put the value y is equal to bx, then find the value of dy by dx and then solve it like this. Okay, and yeah, we can solve it. Okay, now I should provide you the solution of this. Okay, so 1 minus v 1 plus b square dv is equal to dx by x. Okay, dx by x. Okay, so just separate it. Okay, so it will become 1 by 1 plus b square, it will become minus 1 plus b square, that is db, that is dv is equal to dx by x. Now integrating on both sides. Okay, for this you have to let what we have to let 1 plus b square is equal to t, then it will become 2b dv by dt, that is v dv by dt by 2. Okay, so for this is the what is this? This is the integration of tan inverse b. Okay, what is this? This is a 1 by t dt and 1 by 2, and this is the ln x plus c. Okay, so this is tan inverse b minus 1 by 2 ln t is equal to ln of x plus c. Okay, this is the tan inverse v minus 1 by 2 ln, what is t? T is 1 plus b square is equal to ln of x plus c. Okay, now put the value of b. We have taken y is equal to bx, so y upon x is equal to b. So b is equal to tan inverse y by x minus half ln 1 plus y square by x square is equal to ln x plus c. Okay, this is the required answer for that example. Okay, now moving to the next example. This is our example. Okay, so in this example they have written something. What they have written: a curve passing through the point 1 comma pi by 6. Let the slope of the curve at each point x comma y be y by x plus sec y by x x greater than 0. Then the equation of curve. Okay, so they have written here slope of the curve. Okay, what is slope of the curve? Okay, slope is nothing but dy by dx. Okay, so dy by dx is equal to this y by x plus sec y by x. As you can see, this is the homogeneous differential equation of degree 0. Okay, yeah, this is the homogeneous function of degree 0 and this is the homogeneous differential equation. Okay, so now put y is equal to bx. So dy by dx is equal to b plus x dv by dx. You know how I have got these values. Okay, I am just differentiating this term with respect to x, and this will become dy by dx, and this is the first term, second term, using this formula. Okay, first term differentiation of second term remaining first term, and then differentiation of first term remaining second term. Okay, so this will become v plus x dv by dx is equal to, that is vx by x plus sec vx by x. Okay, okay, so this will be the b plus x dv by dx is equal to, x will be the cancel out, so it will become v plus sec x will be cancel out, so it will become v. Okay, b will be the cancel out. Okay, so from this we will get 1 by sec v dv is equal to dx by x. Okay, you can see sec in the denominator, and dx will be the numerator and x will be the denominator. Okay, so it will become cos v db is equal to dx by x now. Okay, so yeah, so cos v dv is equal to dx by dx. Now integrating on both sides, so after the integration cos v dv is equal to dx by x. Yeah, this will become sin v, this will become ln x, and this will become plus c. Okay, so they have given some condition to us, like 1 comma pi by 6. Okay, 1 comma pi by 6 sin okay, no, actually now we have to put the value of y is equal to bx here. Y is equal to bx. Okay, so v is equal to y by x, so it will become sin y by x is equal to ln of x plus c. Okay, so now put 1 comma pi by 6. Y is equal to pi by 6, that is pi by 6, x is equal to 1. Okay, and ln 1 plus c, the value of ln 1 is 0, and sin pi by 6 is 1 by 2, so c is equal to half. Now put the value of c here. Okay, so we will get the required solution of our differential equation. So sin y by x is equal to ln x plus half. Okay, now moving to this example. So in this example, as you can see, there is written x by y. Okay, so no problem, we can let like uh, x is equal to vy. Okay, then what will happen? Okay, yeah, no problem. So first we need to write dx and dy in a good form. Okay, so I think, yeah, so it will look like 1 plus e to the power x by y dx is equal to, okay, I'm just dividing to the dividing by dy from both side. Okay, so it will become dx by dy, that is e to the power xy x by y, 1 minus x by y is equal to 0. Okay, you can understand, like I'm just dividing d by dy. Okay, so it will become dx by dy, and there is 1. Okay, so now let x plus v x is equal to by, x is equal to by vy. Okay, so it will become dx by dy is equal to b plus y dv by dy. Okay, okay, so put here, it will become b plus y dv by dy is equal to, okay, take it on this side. Take it on this side, then it will become e minus e to the power xy. Okay, so now this will become minus e to the power x is equal to by, what, x is equal to vy, so y will be the cancel out, it will become e to the power v, and it will become 1 minus v. What are you doing, sir? Actually just put here x is equal to by, like vy by y will cancel out, so remaining part is v. So wherever is x by y, put v. You can see here x by y is equal to v, so x by y v, 1 x by y v, 1 plus e to the power x by y, that is 1 plus e to the power v. Okay, I'm just taking it in denominator. Okay, now okay, so y dv by dy is equal to multiply it, it will become minus e to the power b minus b minus plus v e to the power b by 1 plus e to the power b. Take v on this side, then yeah, then it will become minus v. Okay, there is no bracket for it, there is no braces for it. Okay, so it will become minus e to the power b plus b e to the power v, multiply it, so it will become minus v minus b e to the power v by 1 plus e to the power b. V e to the power b will be cancel out, so how it will going to look like, y dv by dy is equal to minus e to the power b minus b by 1 plus e to the power b. Okay, now do some, like take minus common from this place. Okay, and then use variable separable, so it will become 1 plus e to the power b, and it will become e to the power b plus b dv is equal to dy by y, here is minus. Okay, so now integrating on both sides, as you can see, this is the derivative of this term. Okay, like okay, now okay, e to the power b plus b is equal to, if we let t, then differentiate with respect to b, it will become what, e to the power v, and v is 1, dv is equal to dt. Same thing as written here, so it will become 1 by t, that is ln t. So ln and t is equal to e to the power b plus b, e to the power b plus b, okay, and from this minus ln y plus c, okay. And we have let like this x is equal to by, so x by y is equal to v. Put here ln e to the power, what is this, x by y plus x by y is equal to minus ln y plus c. That is the required answer for our question, our differential equation, okay. I hope you have enjoyed this lecture, okay. So we will talk about the linear differential equation in the next lecture. Till then, thank you and bye bye.